Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I would like to show you another new feature in the Canva called copy art style. That's a pretty amazing tool where we can copy the full art style of one image or one element to the other. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. And actually, it's easier than expected. So I added two elements to the Canva. So just click on it and copy art style and just click the another element. And now we just have to wait until the magic is happen. We will create just these black and white outlines from the fully colored element, graphical element. That will be also a amazing thing. Just we have to wait until it happens. As you see, the full art style is copied. But now I would like to check is it also works the other way around. So I just before I do it, I just duplicate the page. So now I click on this element and go into the new copy art style. And this is a copy, but now this is a new because it's that now we can copy the basic style and also the art style. So I just click the another image and would like to see is it really works or not. So the image will be properly, not image, the art style will be properly copied or not. Actually, I expected yes, or actually technically already tried it, so I know it yes. But I would like to show the magic to you guys. And as you can see, it's pretty amazing. So that's really not only the not properly copied, as you can see, different colors choose, but the style is also copied. This is a really amazing tool. I really like it. That's really easy to make the one style images. That's so amazing. You find a pretty cool element which is cute, you like it, and you would like to combine with other elements, and those have a bit different style. Now we can copy the art style. In this case, it will be all the elements will be harmonized to each other. That's a pretty amazing tool. So this tutorial is now going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button. Subscribe to my channel. Leave comment in the comment section if you're struggling anything in the Canva. Please also visit the description part where you can find links for my Facebook page, Instagram page, and TikTok page, and where you can find lots of cool Canva tutorials. In the Facebook page, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. In the TikTok and Instagram pages, you can find, of course, a bunch of short tutorials about Canva. But now, this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.